for your joining in this room. Actually, it is our third meeting. We will have the material, or we will have new material to discuss. The material today will be very new. Yeah, last week we have already discussed about filling out the form. Yeah, we had discussed about the filling out the form, and you had also done the assignment I have shared to you in the e-learning, and some of you have done it, and a little of you didn't send the assignment because of the system. And we have already the problem in this week, yeah, because of the e-learning is error. Yeah, so it can be as your what you call, it can be as your way to learn, yeah, because of the e-learning that error. Yeah, for the next assignment, maybe, yeah, you can submit and you can do the assignment, the project earlier, ya. Jadi di masa yang nanti, di tugas yang akan datang, mungkin bisa dijadikan sebagai pembelajaran, ya, as the way to learn, that we cannot understand or we cannot know when the system will be error. Yeah, so you can do your assignment as well as you can, as soon as you can. Yeah, I always give you the assignment. The time to do will be always very long. Yeah, I think 1 week is the very long time to do the assignment and to submit the assignment. So you must use that time very well, ya. Jadi saya selalu memberikan waktu cukup longgar, ya, 1 minggu cukup lama. Jadi saya harap kalian selalu berikan yang terbaik dan mengusahakan yang terbaik secepat mungkin kalian mengerjakan, ya, because ya 1 minggu itu sangat waktu yang cukup lama, ya. Jadi kalian kalau bisa dikerjakan di awal minggu atau paling maksimal di pertengahan minggu, ya. Jadi jangan dikerjakan H-1 hari, ya, H-1, ya. Kalau seperti itu membuat kalian menjadi kesulitan sendiri kalau ada problem seperti ini, ya. It is just for reminder for you. Jadi hanya untuk pengingat saja, pembelajaran, ya, bahwa kita tidak pernah tahu apa yang akan terjadi dengan sistem di masa yang akan datang. Jadi usahakan untuk melakukan yang sebaik mungkin, ya. But no problem for you, yeah, for the one who cannot send the material or send the assignment in the e-learning because of the error, yeah, because of the system that error. I will give you the additional time for you to send or to submit your assignment after the system is repaired, ya. Setelah sistem diperbaiki akan saya perpanjang lagi, nanti kalian bisa mengirimkan lagi tugas kalian melalui e-learning itu. Karena takut saya kalau kalian kirim melalui WhatsApp nanti banyak sekali tugas yang mungkin, ya, saya akan banyak sekali WhatsApp mahasiswa, takutnya tidak terbaca, nanti kalian kirim lagi di e-learning, gitu, ya. Can you get my point? Bisa dipahami, ya, maksud saya, ya?
Yes, sir.
Ya, jadi ke depan jangan mengirimkan tugas di additional time, ya, jangan di waktu-waktu yang mepet, ya. Saya hanya mengingatkan saja, ya, saya tidak marah, ya, don't worry, ya. Okay, for today, we will have the new material to discuss. The material today entitled telephoning. Yeah, so we will have the material about telephoning. Telephoning will be divided into two kind of material, telephoning 1 and telephoning 2. Telephoning 1 will be discussed today, and telephoning 2 will be discussed next week. And don't worry, for today, for this week, we will have no assignment. Maybe next week for the material of telephoning. Yeah. So for today, we will just discuss about the material. Yeah. So I hope when we are in the discussion session, please, as usual, take part actively in my discussion. Okay, wait for a minute. I will share the material and then please you read. Ya, I give you 5 until 10 minutes to read. Ya. Setelah itu kita diskusikan bersama-sama. This is class F. Okay, wait for a minute. I will share the material. Class F. Oke, sudah diterima? Halo?
Sudah, Sir.
Oke, silakan. Okay, are you ready to discuss? Finish? Learn? Sudah selesai?
Not yet, sir.
Oh, belum? Oke. Okay, I think it is the time for us to discuss the material. Yeah. Maybe for the one or for the student who doesn't finish the material, you can wait and you can sit down and then you can uh, listen my explanation and then let's discuss it together. Okay, let me share the material for today. Ya, saya akan share materi untuk hari ini. Mari kita bersama-sama we discuss together. Okay, the material today entitled Telephoning One. Yeah, the output after we finish discussing this material, after we finish discussing telephoning one is that you can understand the meaning of the expression. Yeah, the first one, you can understand the meaning of the expression. Jadi kalian tahu makna dari ekspresi-ekspresi ketika kalian menggunakan telepon. Ya, telephoning here is not only in your work or when you become the employee or when you become the student in this school, in this college. Yeah, no, there are many contexts of telephoning, so there are also many different kind of expression when you have telephone. Yeah, the first one, yeah, there will be a formal situation and informal situation. Yeah, formal situation, that is when you are in the school or in the employee, when you are in the company, ya, in the shop dan sebagainya. When you become the staff, ya, you need to have the formal language. And when you are in the home with your friend, with your partner, ya, it can be used in formal language, ya. Jadi ada beberapa jenis ekspresi, ya, formal and informal, ya. For the informal situation, ya, you can use with in the informal language, ya. But in the formal situation, you can use formal language. Ya, yang pertama itu ya, kalian tahu meaning dari ekspresi itu. And the second one, the output is you can practice it. Ya, practice here can be as the written practice and spoken practice. Ya, written means that, yeah, for example, you can make the example of dialogue, yeah, written, in written. And then spoken, maybe you can practice the dialogue with your friend in some topics, maybe the topics of company or education or in the college. Yeah, it is the example. Yeah. Okay, going to the material in the telephoning one, the first one is when you're making a call, there are some steps, yeah, that you can follow. Yeah, in every step have their own expression. Yeah, for example, in the introducing yourself, there are some expression. Yeah, like what I have delivered before, there are formal and informal. Yeah, in the formal, yeah, you can use good morning, yeah, good evening, yeah, good night, yeah, good morning itu tadi ya, yeah, good morning, Yasmin speaking, yeah, person receiving call, ya, atau you can spell your company, ya. It's like, hello, this is Yasmin Al-Qaid from Spike British School. Ya. Lalu bagaimana dengan informal? Informal ya tinggal menggunakan hi atau hello. Ya, you can speak up or you can introduce your name directly. Ya, hi, it's Yasmin from Melbourne. Ya. So hi, Yasmin here. Hi, George. Ya, hello, hi, blah blah blah. That is informal situation. Actually, the meaning will be the same, ya. Mungkin maknanya sama ya antara formal dan informal. Pesannya sama bahwa ingin memperkenalkan diri. Bedanya adalah the way, ya, the way, ya, based on the situation, ya. Cara yang dihubungkan dengan situasi, kondisi dan tempat. Jadi kalau kantor berarti harus formal, kalau di tempat biasa berarti bisa informal. It is the introducing, ya. The second one is explaining, ya. Setelah memperkenalkan diri, you can explain what is your purpose you call, ya. What is your purpose? You call the other, ya. Misal itu bisa menggunakan I'm phoning about, ya. I need some information about, and then it is in connection with, I'd like to, I'm ringing to, ya. Many kind of way in expressing the purpose, ya, have the same meaning, ya. Meaningnya itu satu walaupun berbeda-beda ini, ya. Apa meaningnya? Meaningnya adalah explaining the purpose of your call. Jadi menjelaskan tujuan kamu menelpon itu apa, ya. Jadi walaupun berbeda-beda, I'm phoning about, I'd like to, bla bla bla, itu intinya satu, menjelaskan tujuan, ya. And then number 3, asking to speak with someone. Jadi ini yang penting juga, ya, bahwa menelpon itu tujuannya ya harus tahu kita itu mau telepon dengan siapa, mau berbicara dengan siapa, ya. Hi, is Nina there? Jadi ini ada dua jenis juga, ya. Ada formal and informal, ya. In the informal, ya, itu bisa langsung hi, is Nina there? Atau can you put Michael on? Ya. Can I talk to yourself? May I speak? Ya. Perlu kalian ketahui bahwa di dalam bahasa Inggris ini urutannya dari tidak formal ke formal, ya. Hi itu menunjukkan tidak formal, ya. Lalu penggunaan kata can, ya, can you, can I itu menunjukkan bahwa dia sedang berbicara dengan orang yang dia akrab, ya, menunjukkan keakraban. Jadi dia itu adalah contoh bahasa, penggunaan bahasa yang tidak formal. Mulai May sampai ke bawah itu menuju ke formal, ya. May I speak to Mr. Green in the accounting department, please, ya. Penggunaan kata may itu menunjukkan agak formal, ya. Ke bawah itu semakin formal, ya. Good morning, is Dr. Martin available, please, ya. Atau penggunaan I'd like to speak to Mr. John. Could I have, ya, penggunaan could, I'd like to, good morning itu penggunaan bahasa formal. Nah, semakin bawah, could you put me through Mr. Weaver, please? Could I have extension? Could I speak? Ya, bla bla bla, itu juga penggunaan bahasa yang formal, ya. Jadi ini step yang ketiga, ya. Step yang pertama tadi adalah introducing and then explaining its purpose and then asking to speak with someone. Number 4, yeah, when you cannot speak with someone you really want, ya, you can leave a message, ya. Penggunaan message atau menanyakan bahwa akan memberikan message itu dengan ekspresi could you give him a message atau can I leave him a message, please ask him call me back, my number is bla bla bla. Jadi menggunakan banyak sekali variasi, ya, cara-cara yang intinya adalah ingin meninggalkan pesan, ya. Bisa could you tell her Jonathan called, atau could you ask him to call Paul when he gets in, dan sebagainya. Ya, itu adalah expression when you want to leave message, ya. Number 4, you can leave an answering machine or voicemail message. Jadi ini voicemail, ya. Voicemail itu ya peringatan saja untuk si orang yang menelpon kita, memberikan pesan, ya. Bisa dengan hi Mikako, it's Yuka, call me, okay, ya. Atau hello, this is Ricardo calling, could you please return me my call as soon as possible, my number is bla bla bla, thank you. Ini cara memberikan voicemail, ya. And the last one is ending a conversation. Selalu, ya, kalau ada starting conversation, ada juga ending conversation. Bisa menggunakan ekspresi well, I guess I'd better get going. Talk again soon, okay? Atau thanks for calling, bye for now. I have to let you go now. I'm afraid that's my other line. Tidak semua harus menggunakan ini, ya. saya yakin masih banyak sekali ekspresi-ekspresi lain yang intinya adalah ingin mengakhiri conversation. Ya. Jadi ini hanya sebagai contoh saja bagi kalian, so you can understand that when you want to end a conversation, you can use this example expression. Ya. Okay, that is the step. Yeah, that the people usually use expression that usually use when making a call, from introducing and then explaining purpose, asking to speak someone, leaving a message, leaving an answering machine atau voicemail message, dan the last one is ending a conversation. As what I delivered before, that after having the material today, especially for this expression, you can understand about the meaning, and then you can practice using this many kind of expression. Jadi kalau kalian nanti di dunia nyata, in the real life, you can communicate with the other people, with this expression, or better, you can improve yourself. You can explore yourself, about what is the expression that can be used when you are communicating with the people in the telephone. Okay, now we are going to the exercise. Kita ke bagian exercise. Okay, any one of you, here in the exercise 1, you are asked to match the phrases with their meaning, and the second one, you are asked to fill the gaps atau blank in the dialogue. Jadi kalian diminta untuk mencari tahu maknanya dulu, setelah itu kalian diminta untuk mengisi kalimat rumpang dengan vocabulary in this table. Okay, we are going to in the first number dulu, number 1 dulu. Anyone of you who understand about what is the meaning of available?
Nasma.
Yeah, what's your name?
Nasma, sir.
Okay, Nasma, silakan Nasma.
Available is pair with reachable or ready, sir. It's mean ada.
Ya, available ready, ready atau reachable bisa dijangkau atau sudah ada, siap menerima telepon. Kalau dalam konteks ini available is ready to have the call. Okay, good. Mbak Nasma, thank you very much. So, number 2.
Jaka, sir.
Ganda, silakan.
Jaka, sir.
Oh, Jaka ya.
Call back. The answer is C, born again.
Call back means born again. What is the meaning?
Born again, sir.
Artinya apa?
Menghubungi kembali.
Diminta untuk menghubungi kembali, call back atau born again. Good. Correct. Mas siapa? Number 3.
Mister.
Muncuni.
Ilmi.
Ilmi, silakan.
I'm calling about. Meaning is I want to speak about.
What is the Indonesian meaning?
Mau berbicara. Saya ingin berbicara tentang, dan meaningnya saya ingin berbicara tentang sesuatu hal.
Betul. The synonym of calling, calling about is speak about, jadi sama-sama ingin membicarakan tentang sesuatu. Good. Number 3.
Sir.
What's your name?
Reza.
Reza, silakan.
Number 4, leave a message. The meaning is leave a note.
Leave a message have the meaning with leave a note. Apa artinya, Mas?
Number 4 itu meninggalkan pesan, terus meaningnya meninggalkan catatan gitu.
Betul ya. The synonym is on the word message sama note, leave a message and leave a note. Good, Mas Reza, thank you. Sekarang number 5.
Bisa, Galileo.
Yeah, what's your name?
Galileo.
Yeah, sorry.
Galileo.
Oh, Galileo, silakan.
Number 5, please hold the line. Meaning don't hang up.
Yeah,
Artinya
what is the meaning?
jangan diputuskan hubungannya,
Yeah,
teleponnya.
so,
Ya.
yeah, the synonym is on the keyword is on the word in the line ya, hold the line ya, berarti hold the line itu meaningnya adalah don't hang up, jangan sampai putus dulu ya. Okay, number 6.
Me, sir.
Yeah, what's your name?
Ganda.
Ya, silakan.
Put me to talk to connect me with.
Apa itu?
Hubungkan saya dengan seorang.
Ya, betul ya. Intinya adalah meminta untuk dikonekkan ya, konekkan dengan siapa ya, tergantung konteksnya. Ini tadi siapa tadi? Sorry.
Ganda, sir.
Ganda, oke, ganda ya. Oke, number 7. Sweet.
Anissa, sir.
Ya, Anissa, silakan.
Seat. The answer of seat is G. Be convenient for.
Ya, what is the meaning?
Cocoknya itu.
Ya, betul. Cocok ya. Sweet itu verb, be convenient itu ya to be dengan kata sifat yang artinya adalah cocok. Sweet and be convenient for. Good. Excellent. Jadi I'm very happy. My student is very excellent. You have you have understood all the meaning from the table available. You have the same meaning with the reachable. Yeah, call back is born again, etc. Yeah. And now we are going to the exercise 2. In the exercise 2, you are asked to fill the blank or the gaps with the suitable vocabulary in the tables. Jadi kalian diminta untuk mengisi dengan vocab yang sesuai. It is more little difficult than the exercise 1 karena kalian harus mencocokkan dengan konteks dari dialog, and you can look for the adjective, for the vocabulary. Okay, number 1, any one of you who can fill out the
Yes, sir.
number 1? Yeah, what's your name?
Panji.
Panji, silakan.
Hello. Could you put me through to Mr. Douglas? Put me through to.
Call apa?
Put me through to. Could you put me through to Mr. Douglas?
Ya. Kenapa jawabanmu itu?
Ya karena ini orang lain yang bukan yang.
Ya, ini si Maria pengen berbicara dengan Mr. Douglas ya. Karena yang menerima si telepon dan itu diperkuat dengan kalimat yang ketiga ya. Yes, could you tell me who is calling? Tanya namanya siapa ya. Jadi Douglas Marine Engineering, how can I help you? Ya, hello, could you ya bisa menggunakan put me through to atau could you connect me with Mr. Douglas. Jadi intinya adalah ingin dihubungkan dengan Mr. Douglas. Betul. Thank you, Mas Panji. Okay, number 2, anyone?
Can I, sir?
Ya, Finan, silakan.
Number 2. Yes, my name is Mary Nemo. I'm calling about repairs to my submarine.
Ya, atau bisa dengan yang lain apa? Your answer is I'm calling about. Berarti bisa juga dengan menggunakan kata-kata I want to speak about. Itu ya Mas Finan ya.
Oh iya, sir.
Ya. Jadi saya Mari Nemo ingin berbicara tentang memperbaiki submarine. Ya, betul. Ya, number 3. Ya, number 3. Any one of you who can number 3?
Really, sir?
Ya, go on.
Brili.
Ya, Briliana. Silakan. Siapa? Brili.
Brili, sir. Lupa di unmute. Mohon maaf.
Oke, silakan.
Hello, I'm afraid Mr. Douglas is in a meeting right now. Would you like to leave a message? Jadi karena Mr. Douglas-nya nggak ada, si penerimanya bertanya kepada Mary apakah ingin meninggalkan pesan seperti itu.
Ya, betul. Hello, I'm afraid Mr. Douglas is in the meeting right now. Would you leave a message ya? Atau bisa juga would you leave a note juga boleh. Would you leave a note or a message? Because the answer is no, it's okay. Tidak, karena bisa dengan cara yang lain. Okay, the next.
Siti, sir.
Yeah, go on. What's your name?
Siti.
Siapa?
Siti.
Oh ya, silakan.
No, it's okay. Can you tell me the best time to call back?
Call back. Ya, kenapa call back?
Dia tanya, dapatkah untuk memberitahu waktu terbaik untuk telepon balik?
Oke. Kan jawabannya si teleponis menjawab ya after lunch ya at 4:30 ya PM. Ini tadi siapa ya? Mbak siapa ya? Sorry.
Siti.
Siti. Oh, Siti. Oke. Maaf. Oke, thank you Mbak Siti ya. Oke. Setelah itu jam 3:30 ada yang bisa menjawab? Hello, this is Mary Nemo. The next.
I can try, sir.
Okay, what's your name?
Ilmi.
Ilmi. Okay, Ilmi. Okay.
Hello, this is Mary Nemo again. Is Mr. Douglas available now?
Ya, available. Atau selain available bisa dengan isi apa lagi, Mbak?
Reachable or ready?
Ya, betul. Reachable boleh. Ready ya boleh. Ya, is Mr. Douglas ready now? Atau is Mr. Douglas available now? Ya. Good. Next.
Again, sir.
Ya. Siapa?
Finan.
Oke, Finan. Silakan. Finan Aji.
Yes, he is. Just a moment. Please hold the line.
Please hold the line. Kenapa?
Karena dia harus nunggu dulu.
Ya. Ya sih, just a moment. Maksudnya jangan ditutup dulu ya. Suruh nunggu tapi jangan ditutup dulu. Oke, good. Oke, for the last.
Mister.
Ya, what's your name?
Anissa.
Anissa, silakan Anissa.
Of course, which Monday morning suit you? Tentu, apakah minggu pagi cocok denganmu?
Oke. Would Monday morning suit you? Atau would Monday morning
be convenient for you?
Betul, be convenient for you. Apakah hari Minggu kamu bisa, intinya gitu ya, cocok enggak dengan kamu? Ternyata Mary Nemo menjawab, I'm afraid not. How about Tuesday? Ya, dia mintanya hari Selasa. Okay, good ya. I hope you understand this material. Yeah, this material is very easy if you understand the meaning. Jika kalian paham maknanya, pasti sangat terlihat mudah. Yang penting kalian tahu makna dari dialog ini dan pasti kalian bisa mempraktekkan dialog ini. And for the output after this material or after this discussion, yeah, like what I have delivered before, that you can make the example of the dialogue in the telephone and you can practice it. Yeah, practice can be written, can be spoken. And for the final exam, yeah, maybe the way atau the kind of questions will be like the material that we have discussed in this semester. Ya, maybe bisa matching the meaning, ya seperti ini, ya disesuaikan dengan temanya, atau mengisikan blank question seperti ini. Jadi you don't need to learn from the other sources, ya. You can learn from this kind of material that we have already discussed. Jadi kalian hanya perlu mempelajari materi yang sudah kita bahas, ya. Okay, I think you can understand very well because the discussion ran very well. You have take part actively in my classroom. Thank you very much for your participation. I appreciate it very much. Yeah. And as a reminder, yeah, I remind you again. Yeah, maybe I give you the project next week. Yeah, after the telephoning too, yeah, I will give you the project. And I remind you again, yeah, please you do the project or do the assignment as earlier, ya, lebih awal, ya, early, ya, karena untuk menanggulangi tentang error system, ya, seperti minggu ini. Jadi jangan sampai kalian mengisi atau mengumpulkan submit di additional time, jadi akan membuat kalian susah sendiri, ya. Untuk yang kemarin sudah belum mengirimkan karena sistem error, don't worry, I will reopen again the restricted time. Yeah, maybe I will open after the system repair. Setelah sistem diperbaiki akan saya berikan kesempatan untuk mengirimkan lagi. Oke, gitu ya. I think it is enough for the online meeting, but don't sign out before you fill the attendance list. Jangan keluar dulu sebelum saya men-share attendance list. Wait for a minute ya, tunggu sebentar ya. Akan saya buka CIA dan akan saya share link untuk presensi hari ini.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Oke, linknya sudah saya share ya. Silakan diisi. Jangan sampai lupa untuk mengisi, karena banyak sekali mahasiswa yang lupa presensi, padahal sudah saya ingatkan berkali-kali. Jadi usahakan segera diisi, baru kalian bisa sign out. Jangan sign out dulu baru ngisi ya. Saya beri waktu sampai jam 12:30 ya. Setelah 12:30 otomatis kalian tidak bisa mengisi presensi. Oke?
Sudah, Sir.
Okay, thank you very much for joining my classroom today. I'm so sorry if I have many mistakes when I deliver the material. Hope you can understand very well my explanation, and we can meet again next week with the new material with the same topic about telephoning too. Yeah, and then let's discuss it together. Thank you very much. We can meet again next week. Yeah, don't forget to fulfill your attendance. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh. Thank you, sir.
wabarakatuh. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So,